you struggling with acid reflux? Foods like spicy dishes are known to trigger reflux symptoms. Spices can irritate the esophagus and increase stomach acid production. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons, can also contribute to reflux. Their high acidity can lead to discomfort and burning sensations. Chocolate is another common culprit due to its caffeine and fat content. Caffeine stimulates the stomach to produce more acid. Fatty foods like fried items slow digestion and increase reflux risk. They can lead to increased pressure in the stomach. Lastly, carbonated beverages can cause bloating and pressure on the stomach. This can push stomach acid back into the esophagus. So what can you substitute for these reflux-triggering foods? Consider opting for herbs instead of spices like basil or parsley. Choose non-citrus fruits like bananas and melons for a safer option. Instead of chocolate, try carob or cocoa powder without added fat. For beverages, stick to water or herbal teas instead of soda.